Welcome to our newly finished deck rebuild and refinish project. This deck was built a long time ago and was not properly maintained throughout its lifespan, as you can see in this before picture of the deck. The hazardous deck floor is rotting so bad a person could fall through and be badly hurt. Here is a before photo of more of the deck floor and stairs, and here is a before photo of the stairs where you can see the whole staircase is rotting and completely deteriorated. Below the deck floor, you can see the wood was also falling apart and had tons of debris and miscellaneous pieces of the deck and house. The fence post and chain link fence were also in need of some repair, as you can see the bow in the fence and posts in this photo. We begin by removing the entire middle sections of railing in order to properly fit the new flooring. As demolition begins on the deck, the chain link fence was also rolled back and the middle post was removed. The lumber for the new deck floor was delivered, and the crew unloaded and stacked next to the house to let it breathe. Plastic was set up over a part of the deck to create a workspace out of the heavy rain. We can complete these types of projects year-round using this technique. Below the tarps and plastic are heavy tools and equipment used to cut and measure the floorboard pieces. Here you can see the floorboards are all laid. This photo also shows how we made a frame for the plastic that covers the workspace. Next, we move to the demolition of the stairs. With the floorboards and steps removed, you can see the rotten wood and broken pieces below the surface. A closer look below and along the stringers point out the severity of the problem with the stairs. Once all the debris, rotted wood, and pieces are cleaned up and cleaned out, we can begin the process of repairing the steps. Cement footers are poured and created into a slab of support for the stringers. This will prevent rotting by keeping the wood above and off the ground. Next, we move on to the railings and posts on the deck. Scraping is needed before primer can be applied. After scraping, a brush is used to remove dust particles and excess paint chips that were scraped off. Primer can now be applied to the railings of the deck. Notice that we tint the primer to match the top coat color to ensure a beautiful finish. Priming is done to the tops of the railings first. Once done, the middle posts are then primed. The chain link fence is put back together. Support beams are installed to avoid future bowing of the chain link fence. Painting the top coat on the deck is being done simultaneously, as is the fence work. The top coat is the last step to completing this project. Here is the finished project. Note not only the deck itself, but the railing and finished fence is back up. The deck floor is done as well and looking great, as you can see in this finished photo. Here's a shot of the finished deck floor and stairs, and last, a finished photo of the stairs. Now we can go back and compare our before and after photos. Here is a before shot of the whole deck before any work is done. Again, note the chain link fence surrounding the deck. And here is an after of the deck and rehung chain link fence. Here is a before of the deck floor, and now an after picture of the new deck floor. Here is a before photo of the deck floor and stairs, and after. Last is a before shot of the stairs and after. And that's it. On behalf of Healthy Painting, we thank you for watching.